Adding and editing content. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add and modify course content. You must have course editing permissions for the desired course. Log in and enter the desired course. To add content to the course, you first have to enable editing. More features are displayed on the page to allow you to edit aspects of the course. Click the Add an Activity or Resource button. There are many activities and resources to choose from. Click an Item's Information button to learn more about it. There are additional help options if you need them. To add an item, click it. The item's settings page is displayed. Complete all the mandatory fields and fill in the optional ones as necessary. When you're done, click Save and Return to Course. The item is displayed on the main course page. You can relocate the item by dragging and dropping it. To return to the item's settings or to access other modification options, click the item's three-dot icon.